Buddy, I just wanted to make a little short video of my Electrolux Silverado that I found in the trash by a dumpster probably 2 or 3 or more years ago. Anyway, it's unbelievable that somebody would, throw away such a nice vacuum cleaner. But anyway, this is my Electrolux Silverado. Found it sitting out by a dumpster on my way home from work, and so I immediately stopped the car and snatched it up immediately. And as you can see, it runs absolutely perfectly. I turned it into my daily driver. It's doing excellent suction. Not a thing wrong with it. All I had to do was just basically straighten the latch on it a little bit because it wouldn't stay closed, and of course the hose basically was looked like it had been run over by a car, and so I found a replacement hose, to put on there. Anyway, it's like I say, it's a 30-plus-year-old vacuum cleaner, and it still just runs like a top. And so I'll basically shoot a little video of me using it. Works every bit as good as a new one. This is one of my daily drivers. Not only did I find the vacuum cleaner, it had the power head and everything with it and everything. So with a little bit of service, it works just every bit as good as a new one. Basically cannot beat that with a stick at all. Nice and quiet. Nice smooth sounding motor. Yeah, that's my Trash Find Electrolux Silverado.